channel. It's your girl, Brittany Bear Makeup here. For those of you guys who are new, then welcome. I am so excited to have you guys here today. We're going to be doing a makeup tutorial that is perfect for fall. We got holidays coming up. Turkey Day is literally a couple days away. And I'm gonna have you guys looking like the main course this holiday season. So if you guys wanna learn how to get this tutorial, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you guys could be a part of my bear family. Like, share, comment, and as always guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and keep on watching as I show all of you guys how I got this beautiful bronzy look.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright guys, so I know you're so used to me always starting with my eyes, but I need to change it up on you guys. I don't want you guys to think I'm predictable, okay? Because I'm not. I'm gonna keep you on your toes. So today we're actually gonna start with our face. What is going on with my hair? So I'm gonna be taking my JOUER matte primer and I'm gonna be using this on my face to become my base, become one with my face. Oh my god, I put a lot. I like overdid it. But this stuff is amazing. So I'm gonna be applying this to my face to hydrate it, to give it that nice primed base. We're gonna start with our foundation. And for today, I'm gonna be picking up my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. I've been using this in a couple of my videos. I know you guys have seen me rave about it, but I truly am a fan of the coverage. I feel like it's so buildable and beautiful and dewy, and it's a matte finish. Is this one matte finish? It's a matte finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and work this shade into my face just by patting it in. One thing I really love about Too Faced products is that their color matching is so spot on. It is so hard for me to find like my identical skin color, but I feel like with Too Faced, I always find it. Like I feel like this foundation is just like, whew, it couldn't get any more perfect to what I believe my skin tone is. Alright guys, so the next step is probably my favorite step in my makeup routine. It's going to be a concealer and then a highlighter. So what I like to do is I like to conceal my under eyes with a color that's kind of similar to my foundation, if not identical. This is gonna get rid of those dark circles I have. It's really gonna act as a base for me. So for that, I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium, and I'm going to apply a layer. Now this is a little bit brighter than my actual foundation, but this is okay because this is really just gonna brighten my under eyes up and give me that look that I want, that Kim K chiseled face. So then taking my damp beauty blender, I'm going to begin by lightly patting the product in. It's so crazy to me how concealer can like change the game. I just started the gym recently and I do not walk out of the house unless I have concealer. Like that has become my go-to product. I don't wear any foundation, nothing on my face, but I wear concealer and it honestly just makes me go from like a -22 to like a 14, okay? Alright guys, so I applied my concealer similar to my foundation color. Now it's time to brighten. This is what I'm going to use to brighten. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. And I'm going to take this color and I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes. I'm going to apply this down the bridge of my nose. This is very important. This is what's going to give me that like chiseled nose. A little on my chin, a little on my lower forehead. Definitely the sides of my nose. Gotta create that illusion that we're snatched, okay? So we're gonna go back in there and we're gonna pat this bad boy out. Oh, I just love how concealer looks, like honestly. If I was on a stranded island and I could only take one makeup product, for sure, concealer. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna be doing on a stranded island with concealer, but at least I know I'll be looking good. I'm going to blend out my nose, being very careful to keep the line straight. We wanna make sure that we create that focal point and then the lower forehead. So the next step is going to be setting powder. Setting powder is so important. If you guys don't know about what this does, game changer. This is what's going to make you look bright in photos. So I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty translucent powder in the shade Sugar Cookie, and I'm going to be baking my under eyes. So I'm going to begin packing a very thick layer of powder. I like to pack a lot because I want my makeup to last as long as I last. I want to make sure that when I get I just inhaled a lot of setting powder. I want to make sure that when I get back from the party, I look better than when I left, okay? No one is going to catch me slipping with this setting powder on. Do not apply foundation and then think you can go and add contour and not be blotchy. So definitely bake, guys. Spend a couple minutes just letting it sit on your face and absorbing the moisture. So after we went ahead and did that, let's go ahead and begin our eyes. Why not? So here I have the Morphe 35V palette. So many of you guys have been like, we want a review, we want to see it. I'm not going to do a review on it because it's been out for a minute, but I am going to show it to you guys today on my eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe Holiday Collection brush, and I'm going to go into this beautiful light orange shade. We are going to take this eyeshadow shade and we're gonna begin buffing this into our eye. And as you guys can see, this color is really, really pigmented, and we are gonna blend it. We're gonna wing it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just continue bringing that product in and making it as intense as I want it to be. I definitely want a really pretty warm color in the eyes. Because this is Thanksgiving, we gotta go with the theme. We gotta go with the coppers, the browns, the oranges. We kind of have to stick to it. So once I went ahead and did that, I am gonna go right into a tiny little concealer brush. This is a Morphe M124 brush. And I'm just going to lightly place this on the lid and kind of carve out a crease. So as you guys can see, just lightly carving that out, nothing crazy. Once again, we're just taking it little by little, step by step. So the next step is gonna be for us to go into a beautiful gold shade. So I'm gonna go into this bad boy right here with that same brush. So I'm going to, oh yeah, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and swoop this on the lid. I'm gonna carve out that crease. Oh, this is bomb. This is so holiday. It makes me happy. Like, warm colors honestly make me happy. I don't know what it is, but you can never go wrong with a palette that has nothing but neutrals in it. Okay, so we went ahead and we carved out that crease. We applied that beautiful like champagne shade. The next step is gonna be for us to grab a little shader brush. This is the Morphe M410 brush. I'm gonna go into that same like coppery color, and I'm just going to swoop this across the lower lid and kind of blend out this whole section. This is why it's so important, guys, because there's always fallout. You wanna make sure that you have a lot of translucent powder under your eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit more because you never know. That way you don't get any mess ups. You don't want to mess it up because you can't fix it after that. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to swoop the lower lash line with this pretty terracotta shade from the palette, and I'm going to create more dimension and kind of just buff and blend that crease in that corner out. And I'm going to smoke this color underneath my eye to kind of complete this look. So very simple, just the lower lash line. I'm going in with this brush and I'm just kind of smoking out a very serious, intense line. And this brush comes in handy because this brush is creating that. It is making it easy for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera real quick to make this fast, to the point, short and easy. I know your guys' attention span is as small as mine. So I'm gonna do the other eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and when I come back, we're gonna finish off this look. And oh, you know what? While I'm off camera, I'm gonna contour my nose. And you guys already know I'm gonna be using my 360 nose contouring brushes with Morphe. Go ahead and click this link right above to watch my tutorial. So I will see you guys in a second. All right, Bear Fam, so I went off camera and I did my eyebrows, contoured my nose. Do we see how snatched it is? So the next step for this look is going to be to bronze ourselves up. And I'm gonna go back to one of my favorite bronzers of all times, my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. So taking a Morphe, this is a E4 brush, I'm going to apply the contouring color on my cheekbones. I really, really love how soft this brush is, by the way, guys. This has become my new favorite contouring brush for my face. I don't know, the bristles are so soft and I feel like it doesn't leave you streaky. Everything applies so beautifully and it just overall looks so good. So I'm gonna apply this around the rim of my forehead as well, just to kind of add color everywhere. So as we are coming down to like the final steps, I'm going to actually take my blush. This is my Makeup Forever B208 blush, and I'm going to be applying this on my cheekbones, a very generous amount. I'm like obsessed with blush. Ever since I did my Disney series, I feel like blush makes everything just look so much more youthful, glowy, and beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be using my BADDIE lashes. These are in the style, let me see. It says Sugarbaby, loving it. So these are very fluttery and dramatic and they're just so pretty. This is my first time actually using them. I've had them for a while and I was like super into the natural look, but it's the holidays, guys. We gotta stunt. We gotta slay this holiday season. So I'm taking out my BADDIE lashes and I'm going to use them today for this look. Alright guys, so once I went ahead and I applied the lashes, which I'm obsessed with, by the way. I've never used them before, so if you guys are in the market for a really pretty lash, BADDIE lashes, Sugarbaby is popping. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara, and I'm going to apply this onto my lashes, just to kind of make them go with the other lashes, so that there's no separation. And then I'm also going to do my bottom lashes. So while I go ahead and let that dry for a couple seconds, I'm going to go into my lip liner, and I'm going to be using today Sweet Tea. Sweet Tea is obviously one of my favorite lip liners of all times. I rave about it all the time, but you guys, if you go out and purchase it, you will know why. It's amazing. So I'm going to use this to outline my lips. And then I like to slightly fill in the areas of my lips just to kind of make sure that everything is going to blend together. So I'm actually really excited about this lip gloss. I recently got it in a PR package from MAC Cosmetics. So this one's actually called On the Eve, and it's a beautiful pink with like sparkles in it, and I thought this was a perfect gloss to top this look off with. Oh, this is so pretty. Alright guys, so while I went ahead and I let my mascara dry, I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup eyeliner pen, and this one is in that light tan color. I'm just going to apply this in my waterline just to kind of brighten up my eyes, make them look a little bit bigger and more awake. So applying this into the waterline. I wanted to use one last product because I got this and I have seen so many influencers use this, and I've seen it in person and it is literally like life in a bottle. So this is the new Cover FX Glitter Drop, and you guys, if you want to glow this holiday season, I'm just going to lather this like on my body. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just kind of rub it in, and it gives you like the most beautiful iridescent glowy skin you will ever have in your life. And that's exactly what I want. I want to glow this holiday season. And just to finish off the look, since I'm literally glowing everywhere else, I'm going to take my MAC Hyper Real Glow Palette, and I'm going to take this gold shade, and I'm just going to apply this on the upper high points of my cheekbone and kind of melt that into my face. A little bit on my forehead, and then on the other side as well. Alright guys, so this concludes today's video. Here is the final look. We created a very beautiful, bronzy, sexy look just in time for Thanksgiving, for fall, for the holidays. You guys can rock this pretty much any time of the year, but it's especially good for now. So before I close out today's video, guys, I want to give a huge post notification shout out to my boy, Ben Rhodes. You are so amazing. You're constantly commenting and leaving me so much love. Thank you for being a part of the Bear family. If you guys want a post notification yourself, all you guys have to do is turn on your post notifications and comment when done. You guys don't forget to like, share, comment, and as always, guys, hit that subscribe button, and I will see all of my Bear family in the next video. Bye, guys.